We're getting ready to go on a trip, and I backed up my van into the garage, and that's when I noticed my brake lights were out. So let me show you how to fix those really fast so it doesn't ruin your trip.
If Dan can, you can too.
Okay, so these are our tail lights, and this is my brake lights. So this is a 2010 Honda Odyssey. So let me show you how to get to that. First thing we're going to do is open. We're going to open up that door so we can get access to this brake. Now we have 2 bolts or screws. You can use a screwdriver or a bolt. This is an 8mm. And I'm going to loosen up these. Until they come out. There's that one, and this one was close. Here we go. Okay, then I'm gonna pull from both sides here, and it just comes straight out. You take both of these and you turn to the side, so you're turning counterclockwise, 1/4 of a turn, and it pulls straight out just like that. Now this is the new bulb that I just put in, but let's pretend it's the old bulb. So you just pull that straight out, and then you take your new bulb and you push it straight back in. Okay? Then you put it back in the slots, and then you turn it 1/4 of a turn clockwise to lock it in place. Do the same thing with the top one. You turn it counterclockwise, 1/4 of a turn, pull it out, take the old bulb out, you just pull straight out, put the new bulb straight in, then put it back in and do 1/4 turn the opposite way until it clicks. There you go. So now I have brand new bulbs. Okay, now you just line things back up and push it straight back in. Put your bolts back in, and you're all done. Okay, now that Dan can, you can too.